Elaine, my best for a couple of years, Babe for 4 years, and Mommy for no less than 5 years until now. This is me swearing to you before God and in front of everyone. Ang sabi ng kanto ko sa'yo, patuloy akong magmamahal at hindi magbabago.
Ating mundo sa paglalaya ng mga puso, unti-unting
Excited na akong ibigay itong gift ko sa'yo. Open mo na dali. Alam kong magugustuhan mo ito. Alam mo naman na akong number 1 fan din sa sunog na si Kim. Excited na akong makita yung gift mo. I love you so much. Your sugar mommy.
Sa paglubog ng araw, ikaw ang nais matanaw hanggang sa susunod na araw. Ikaw lang, ikaw. Patuloy ako.
Babe Denver, today, finally, we are now one. I am grateful for the love we share for the past 10 years. I promise to support you and your plans, to stand by your side through ups and downs. I promise to love you unconditionally.
Gusto ko may laman yung loob.
Ibabalik sa
Keep it safe as you keep me in your life. As you value this gift, you will give importance to what I am to you. Take this as a symbol of my love, patience, and trust. I love you, Denver.
hanggang sa susunod na araw. Ikaw lang, ikaw. Patuloy ako magmamahal at hindi magbabago. Ako'y maghihintay sa'yo.
Ang kasal ay isa po ito sa pinakamasayang araw ng mag-asawa. Ito po yung napaka-sweet na tingnan, napakaganda, napaka-aliwalas, naka-smile ang lahat. Ang tanong, but what happens to love after the wedding?
And I give up forever to touch.
I promise to give you my heart, my love.
That you feel
I vow to be faithful and true to our relationship, to be a good mother to our children,
be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment.
Mamahalin kita at kayo ng aking mga anak hanggat ako ay nabubuhay. Sometimes when you're grumpy, irritated ako. Bugnutin ka, sutil ako. Tuwing madaldal ka, tinatamad ako. And yet things will always be just fine. I'm sorry sa lahat ng pagkakamali ko.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Napakahalaga sa mag-asawa, lalo sa bagong kasal, yung oras sa isa't isa. Kasi nung time na naliligaw ka, kahit ilang oras, di ba, Engineer? Ka-chat mo siya, ka-promote mo siya, ay kahit nandun po na buong magdamag, di ba? Tama po ba? Dahil nandun po na talagang excited ang bawat isa. Magkita lang ang bawat isa, talagang talagang hindi mo mapaghihiwalay na. Tama?
Yeah, you please just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you
I promise to be a light of our home, filled with love and joy. To be your pillow in times of stress, to be your bed when you're sleepy, to be your food when you're hungry. I look forward to growing old with you. I'm so excited to create a new chapter of life. I love you so much.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And I
Ang tangi kong hiling, sana'y iyong dinggin. Pag-ibig mo ay akin. Let us trust the process, ika nga. Finally, at last, this very moment in time, you and me, in the eyes of the Lord our God, and in front of everyone around here, I love you with all my heart.
know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
We're climbing higher, we'll touch the fire. We'll never let go. We're wild and free. We're flying right through. Yeah, that's what we do. We're finally here. I see it so clear. Up in the clouds, we're heroes. We came from the dust. We never gave up. Just look at us now. Yeah, we're heroes. We won't ever give up now. No, we won't stop now. We won't.